interact with each other through epigenetic process. The interaction or the interplay between genetics and environment goes back to the oldest debate, which is nature versus nurture, where nature stands for our DNA and nurture stands for environment. Gene environment interplay. Imagine a delicate dance where genes stand as script and environment as light choose where to shine on. That's achieved through epigenetic process mechanism, which simply determine which gene should turn on or